Hello math enthusiasts, welcome to another video. In this section we're gonna to discuss about quadratic equations and how we can produce them. At the first, if you consider you have two numbers or two roots, and if you're gonna to produce a quadratic equation, at the first you must sum these two variables and product these two variables, and after that plug in this equation. What is the equation? It's x power 2 minus sx plus p. S is summation and p is product. For example, you consider you have two numbers, and by these two numbers you're gonna to produce a quadratic equations. The root is 2 and 3. At the first, I calculate s is 2 plus 3 and p is 2 times 3. Answer 5 and 6, and after that I put in this equation plus 6 equal. Yes, exactly by the D4. But another question, in the here x1 plus x sub 2, they are cancel each other. Answer is 2, but x1 times x2 is 1 plus radical 2 times 1 minus radical 2. Answer is 1 minus 2. Answer is minus 1. Therefore, if I substitute in this equation, our answer is x power 2 minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. But some of you maybe tell me why you use this formula. Let's to detect this exact. Vice versa, you consider you have a quadratic equation. By delta is b squared minus 4ac. Yes, your root is minus b plus delta divided 2a, and another one is exactly this, but is by a conjunction. But if you sum these two variables, delta and delta immediately cancel, is minus 2b over a, and answer is minus b over a. But if you're gonna to multiply these two variables, is plus radical delta divided 2a and minus b minus radical delta divided 2a. In the top is identity is b power 2 minus delta, because it's come out the radical, and is 4a times a is 4a2. Yes, but what is the delta? Is b power 2 minus 4ac. If I put by minus, immediately this one and this one cancelled, minus and minus positive, is 4ac divided 4a times a, and this part cancel. Answer is c over a. What's happened? In every equation, the sum of the root is minus b over a, and product of them is c over. But if you divided this part to a exact, is x power 2 plus ba x plus ca, that is minus summation, because in here is minus. Yes, but this word is product of two root. Therefore our equation changed to x power 2 minus sx plus b equal to 0. But how we can use that? Let's go to further examples. You consider you have this equation. By the previous, we know s is minus b over a and p is exactly c over a. Yes, in this example you consider alpha and beta is this quadratic equation root. But if we're gonna to sum the equation, it doesn't need we calculate by delta, but we just know the root is exactly s is minus b over a, and in here is minus 5 over 3, but the product of these roots is exactly c over a, and in here c is minus 2 and a is 3. Answer is minus 2 over 3. But about absolute value of subtract of two roots, you consider one of your roots root is exactly minus b plus radical delta divided 2a, and another one is exactly minus b minus radical delta divided 2a. Yes? When we subtract these two parts together is exactly, maybe I just change this part and this cancel. In the top is 2 radical delta divided 2a, and they cancel each other. Answer is radical delta 2a, and in here delta is b power 2 minus 4x is 25 minus 4, 3 minus 2 divided to 3 in value, and just is a calculate. But in here you consider alpha and beta is root of this equation. We're gonna to find alpha power 2 plus beta power 2. I just, instead of this, I can write alpha plus beta power 2 minus 2 alpha beta. Yes, because it is alpha power 2 plus beta power 2 plus 2 alpha times beta, and they can cancel each other. That is s minus 2p, and of course s power 2. And our s in here is minus 5 over 3 power 2 minus 2 over 3, and that is our answer. What about this guy? Can you tell me how I must calculate this? Yes, alpha power 2. I think you must solve this in the description for me. Yeah, it's the best idea. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.